Alright guys, so welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and today's video we have the Genshin Impact and UGREEN collab with this MagFlow wireless charger. You can see, so they have the normal version, but this is the collab version, and yeah, I have it here right in the studio. So we're gonna be taking a quick look at it and see how it fares, and yeah, we're testing it out obviously. And yeah, let's take a quick look at this packaging first. So you can see we have the Kinect branding, all green color mostly. And other than that, yeah, it's pretty much identical to the video I did with the power bank. You check out over here, I did a similar video for that collab as well. So that is the Nexode power bank, but in this video we're gonna take a close look at this wireless MagFlow 2-in-1 charger. So yep, let's get unboxing. So it's very cute packaging, small. Cut the top so you can open it. And this one, I believe it should support the Qi2 wireless charging speed. So if your device supports it, then you're gonna enjoy it. So let me just oh, I think it's still tape. Is it still tape? Yeah. Let's cut it a bit. Alright. There we go. And now slide it open. Look, so that's how small it is. I thought it was very big, but it's actually quite compact, so you can carry it anywhere. But this is the size of it. Actually, it's really small. Let's take a quick look at what we get inside. I think we get a Type-C cable. So yes, we do get one right here. So in case you don't have, you can use it. Let's show you guys really quickly. So here you go. This is the cable that you get. Let me just zoom in. You can see Type-C. So that's it. That's all we get in the box. So let me just put all these things to the side while we take a quick look at the product itself. So this is the product. Let me just open all the plastic so you can have a close look at it. Alright, taking it off, and there we go guys. So this is the device. Actually, look at this. It's like the size of my hand, my palm, and it's actually pretty compact. Wow. So the back here have a Type-C cable to accept input, and another one here to accept output. So it's nice. So yep, and I can click a close look at the specifications of this magnetic wireless charger. You can see for iPhone 15 watts, AirPods 5 watts. Actually, it also supports other brands as well. I'll show you guys later. So yeah, let me see how to open this. So you gotta lift it up first. Yep, and there you go. And then you can twist it like this. And that's how you put your phone on top, and this is where you put your AirPods or Galaxy Buds, for example. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So if you're done, you can just close it like this. Yeah, there we go. It's a bit hard because yeah, you have to keep it in place, but other than that, I think it's pretty nice, pretty compact. So let's open it up like this. Okay, so the design wise, obviously it looks like a Genshin Impact team, so very cool design here and here as well. The side here, and that is pretty much like the original 2-in-1 MagFlow wireless charger. So yep. Alright, so we're gonna be powering this device using this one. So I'm gonna be using this to power it. Will be quite interesting to see, because this one is 130 watts, so should be no problems to power the wireless charger. So let me just power it up and show you guys in action. So you can see it's turning on over here on the screen, and it should, yeah, okay, it is taking some power, but now it's 0 obviously. So let me check my phone. So this is my phone example. I want to charge it, just and then fast charging. There we go. So you can see it is indeed working with Android devices, not iPhone. So alright, so now let us try charging my device as well as my let's say my Galaxy Buds, for example. Let's see it works. So we have this one. This is not AirPods, but I think they should work. So let me, oops, I'm not plugged in yet, so let me just charge it. So if you're using Android, it should work now as well. Oops, we'll just put this first. Okay, there's a red light, so you can see, yeah, red light there and a green light, so it is working. it's just not a tight fit for this device lah, because it's designed for Galaxy, sorry, AirPods, so it might be a bit jutting out. You can see it's not like fit properly, but it's red, so the show is working. And then for this one, yeah, this one, it works without problems as well. So yeah. And then guys, that's all actually for this video. This is just a short little video on this Genshin Impact edition. So let me just put it like this and then like this. So you can charge it like this as well. If you don't have like AirPods, you can just charge your device like this. So it should work regardless. So you can see, yeah, it works as well. So no problems. And yeah, you have one more port here as well to charge wires using wired. So no problems. And yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. It's a short video, a bit scuffed unboxing, but it's a simple video showing you guys this Genshin X UGREEN 2-in-1 wireless Macro charger. So that's all for me guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.